Are you looking for the best beard comb? In this video, we'll break down the top beard combs available whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best beard combs on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the HANDMADE Beard Comb. Made from sandalwood, this comb works perfectly with balms and oils. The wooden comb is small and comes with a travel pouch, making it easily portable. The dual-sided comb is perfect for all beard types and thick enough to withstand daily use for even the coarsest of beards. It can be used for scalp hair as well. The design is simple, elegant, and gets the job done. You'll never need another comb. This sandalwood comb by HANDMADE glides smoothly through hair, never pulling, tugging, or leaving behind knots. When using with balms and oils, the comb helps spread products evenly throughout the beard, and because of its wood material, cleaning off residue product is clean and straightforward. This durable sandalwood comb is selling for only $13 on Amazon. It's set at quite the steal for a comb that will last and keep your beard smooth, maintained, and healthy. At number 2, we have the Beardoholic Beard Comb. This comb is made from 100% pear wood. The size is pocket-friendly, enabling you to bring this comb anywhere. It's perfect for beards, mustaches, and also works great on hair. The wood is exceptionally durable, and the fine-tooth design enables you to keep your beard neat and manageable. The long teeth work great at gliding through thick beards. This comb never tugs or snags on beard hair, and feels very smooth on its own or with balms and oils. This fine-tooth comb works to detangle beard hair without creating any static. You can get this comb for $11.99 on Amazon. It's set at a value that's hard to beat. At number 3, we have the Viking Revolution. This comb is made of 100% all-natural pear wood. It's relatively small and easily portable with the included leather pouch. The wood is extremely durable, yet feels lightweight in your hand. It glides effortlessly through any beard hair thanks to the dual sides and helps improve the overall health of your beard. The comb works to help distribute natural oils throughout your beard and never pulls, snags, or causes static within the beard. This comb works great with balms and oils and helps evenly distribute the products throughout the beard. This comb is only $7.88 on Amazon, one of the best prices in our video. At number 4, we have the Grow a Beard Kit. Made from bamboo, this wooden comb is biodegradable and anti-static. This comb fits comfortably in a palm and is light yet durable. Along with this comb, you also get a bamboo beard brush and mustache scissors. The brush works to remove dirt and help improve the health of your beard. The anti-static wooden comb detangles wet and dry beards while stimulating oil production. The scissors are very tiny, but are perfect for a quick trim. The comb runs very smoothly through any type of beard hair. Thick, thin, long, short, curly, you name it. The dual sides have you covered. The comb is comfortable, never tangling or pulling at your hair. This set is selling for less than half of its original price right now on Amazon. You can purchase this comb set for only $9.96. That means you're getting a beard brush, comb, and mustache scissors for the same price you'd pay for just one comb. At number 5, we have the Rocky Mountain Barber Company Sandalwood Beard Comb. This comb comes with a carrying pouch to help protect it from the elements and allow you to travel with it. The sandalwood beard comb is anti-static and makes it easier to tame, shape, and style your beard. The comb has a nice weight to it, not super heavy but durable enough to get the job done. The scent is fresh sandalwood, masculine yet not overpowering. The manufacturer recommends combing your beard while it's still damp to help work the knots out efficiently. This comb is made from sandalwood and never pulls or tangles your hair. It glides smoothly, helping to spread balms and oils and ultimately soften your beard. This comb sells for $15.99 on Amazon. It's built from durable sandalwood that is meant to last. And for our final pick at number 6, we have the Kent HANDMADE Comb Set. Overall, plastic combs are not great for beard hair. If you want to use a plastic comb because the price is lower, or due to personal preference, we recommend this one. These combs are saw cut and then hand polished and buffed. The teeth are soft rounded and won't damage or tug at your hair. The inside of the edge of each tooth has rough saw cut impressions, which helps to clean the hair of dust and promotes natural hair oils. The 3 different sizes make this the perfect set for maintaining beard and mustache hair. Because of the way this plastic comb is made, it's very lightweight and rarely ever snags hair. While these teeth may snag a bit here or there, the combs still beat any other plastic combs we found on the market. The smaller comb is ideal for mustaches, while the 2 larger ones are suitable for beards. You can get this entire set for $23.80 on Amazon. These are handmade and built to last. So that sums up our top beard combs of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.